super cool? I cannot wait to see what is inside this squishy set. But before to get started, remember to give it a like, hit the notifications bell, subscribe to my channel, please guys, and follow me on Instagram. So now let's get started onto the video. Wow! Look inside, guys. It is super cool. So we have some markers, coloring markers, some instructions. They're super jumbo, guys. This is the hamburger. It is slow rising. And we have this donut. It's super squishy and soft. Oh, this is super jumbo. The cake. And it looks like it has a strawberry on the top. It's super soft and squishy. Lastly, and the pizza, guys. The pizza is one of my favorites because it's super squishy. Look at it. So now, let's take all these squishies out of the bags and let's start coloring them. Oh my gosh. Look at the cake. It feels so soft when you have it out of the bag, guys. Let's open the pizza. I wonder how I'm going to color all my squishies, guys. Ooh, the pizza. It's cute. Hamburger. And then lastly, we're going to open the donut. Ooh, the hamburger is like super squishy. Look at it. Wow. And it's kind of sticky. Ooh, the donut. The donut is super cute, guys. So now I'm going to start decorating all of my squishies. I need to open my markers. Take them out. Wow. We have a bunch of colors here, guys. Look at them. We have brown, purple, green, blue, yellow, red, orange, and pink. But I think I'm going to start coloring the pizza. Let's put these over here. So, for the bread, I think I'm going to use this orangey color. So let's start fading it. Wow! They color super nice, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm done with my cheese. So now, I need to do the color red for my pepperonis. So let's start. Ooh. This is a really nice red, guys. Wow. I'm done with the pepperonis. That looks super cute. I love it. So I'm coloring the peppers, guys, in green. So far, this looks so amazing, guys. Look at how my pizza looks. Wow. Guys, my pizza is ready. So I colored the sides yellow, and I colored all the ingredients, and the pizza result being so cute. I'm gonna give it a squish. So my next squishy, it's gonna be the cake. So I'm gonna need these 4 colors to decorate my cake. So guys, this looks so good. It looks super cool. So now I'm going to do the purple. Guys, look at the color. It is super cool. I just need to color it all purple, guys. I'm done, guys. Look at how my purple frosting came out. I need to color my strawberry. So guys, I am done with my cupcake. Look at it. I love the strawberry, how it came out. It's super colorful and squishy. Next step, I think I want to color the hamburger. So for the hamburger, I'm gonna need orange, green, and yellow. And so I'm gonna start by coloring the bread. Wow! This looks amazing, guys. So guys, I am done with my bread. That looks super cool. So now I need to do the cheese, which is orange. This part is the cheese. Wow! Now we need to do the green. I need to color these green. So guys, I love the lettuce, how it's looking. And this kit, I bought it at Target, guys. And this kit, it's super fun to decorate your squishies. Guys, now I need to color the meat. So I need to open the brown. Ooh. This is a pretty brown. So guys, I am done with my hamburger. It looks so cool and super cute. Look at it. And the texture is super, super soft. It smells the cake. And I love how I decorated it. How it looks with the colors. But now and finally, the donuts. What I have been waiting to decorate. Now is the frosting, guys. I need to decorate it pink. Wow! I love this color. Super cool. So guys, I'm done with the frosting. Now I need to do the sprinkles. So I'm gonna do blue. So guys, this is my result of my donut. It's super cute. Hi. So let's see how I colored all my squishy, guys. So first, I colored my pizza that I really, really love. And it's super cute. I decorated my donut that I also liked. My hamburger, my most favorite squishy. And lastly, the cupcake that has a strawberry on the top and that is super squishy. So this looks super cool, guys. But I hope you enjoyed this amazing video. Make sure to give it a like, hit the notifications bell, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, guys. Bye. See you in the next video opening another fun toy. Bye.